Hi, I'm Mike Rowan, one of the organizers of Tandy Assembly. We look forward to seeing everyone in Chillicothe, Ohio. I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about one of the great events at Tandy Assembly. That's the No Minimum Bid Auction. First, all of the auction items are donated. All proceeds from the auction will go toward the cost of the event. The auction is a great opportunity to get some big bargains on unusual vintage computer items. It's also a great deal of fun to see people, sometimes best friends, trying to outbid each other. We certainly hope you'll join in the fun at Tandy Assembly. As I said before, all of the auction items are donated. If you have any items or duplicates in your collection that you are willing to donate to the auction, we would certainly appreciate your donations. Just bring them to Tandy Assembly or contact us through our webpage, www.tandyassembly.com. Thanks, and we look forward to a great time with everyone at Tandy Assembly.
You've been hearing all the buzz about Tandy Assembly. All Radio Shack and Tandy computer models under one roof. It's happening October 7th and 8th in Chillicothe, Ohio. Don't miss our guest speakers, including Don French of TRS-80 fame, game designer Lance Nicholas, and Scott Adams of Adventure International. Make your reservations today. Call 800-542-7919 and ask for the special room rate for Tandy Assembly. But hurry, the rates are only good through September 5th. Tandy Assembly. Some assembly is required.
Tandy Assembly would like to thank our sponsor, Boyson Tech. Vintage computer systems, gaming consoles, and parts. Boyson Tech repairs, refurbishes, and sells vintage and game consoles. Be sure to visit them on Facebook. Just search for Boyson Tech, Boysontech. Thank you to Boyson Tech for being a Tandy Assembly sponsor. Tandy Assembly would like to thank our sponsor, Coco Talk. Coco Talk is the nation's leading live talk show about the Tandy color computer, airing live each week on YouTube, with video and audio replays available. Join Coco Talk to discuss community projects, hardware and software, interviews, reviews, demos, and tutorials. For more details about Coco Talk, visit cocotalk.live. Thank you to Coco Talk for being a Tandy Assembly sponsor. Tandy Assembly would like to thank our sponsor, Coco VGA, creator of the FPGA-based hardware enhancement for Motorola 6847 VDG-based microcomputers, such as the TRS-80 color computer. Coco VGA adds VGA output to early model Cocos. It adds true lowercase, multiple artifact modes, scanline emulation, and a customizable palette in addition to other features. For more details about Coco VGA, visit www.cocovga.com. Thank you to Coco VGA for being a Tandy Assembly sponsor. Tandy Assembly would like to thank our sponsor, Retro Innovations. Retro Innovations is a producer and designer of Tandy color computer and general system products. Producer of the Coco Flash Multi-ROM emulator. The Coco Flash offers 8 megabytes of ROM storage and supports large ROM images. It also includes a built-in Orchestra 90 compatible music synthesizer. For more details on this product and others, visit www.goforretro.com. That's www.go4retro.com. Thank you, Retro Innovations, for being a Tandy Assembly sponsor. Tandy Assembly would like to thank our sponsor, SIDTRUG, the Sydney TRS-80 MS-DOS Users Group, a group of computer enthusiasts meeting on a regular basis to discuss hardware and software issues. Their origins are with the Tandy TRS-80 and compatible System 80 range of computers. SIDTRUG meets at Regents Park Community Centre Hall, 1 Amy Street, Regents Park, New South Wales 2143. For more details about SIDTRUG, visit sidtrug.org. That's SYDTRUG.org. Thank you to SIDTRUG for being a Tandy Assembly sponsor. Tandy Assembly would like to thank our sponsor, The Right Stuff, producer of myriad products for the TRS-80 Models 1, 3, 4, Model 100, and color computer. The Fred hard drive emulator, high-res graphics boards, memory upgrade kits, cables, adapters, and more. To see these and other products, visit ianmav, that's ianmav.customer.netspace.net.au/TRS80. Thank you to The Right Stuff for being a Tandy Assembly sponsor.